It's pugs and broken arms. It's pugs and broken arms. Broken arms. Bro, you should have waited for me. I have some too.
Oh, you do it. You do it.
Yeah, we're gonna do a huge explosion, guys. No, get your, you wait for your time limit. Wait for your time limit.
Stack it up. Stack it up. Hey. I already put the A. Bro, I'm trying to put an A, man. I'm trying to spell letters. A.
Wait for your thing, bro. I think your thing's done.
What up? You don't need that.
What is that supposed to spell?
Then. Hold on. I have one.
No, get yours. Now you get some jalapenos. She put my name in yellow.
What does this say?
What does what say? It's a penis, bro. What are you thinking?
Alright, let me get
Buy some. Bro, this is gonna be a huge explosion. I'm gonna do it.
Wait. You gotta wait.
Not yet.
Put them in like a stack.
Okay, I'm waiting for it.
Put them in a stack. Put them like right here.
We little bros.
Wait, we should put him in a bag? Yeah, we should put him in a bag. We should put it like over there.
Okay.
Wait.
Dance. I'm all
Put it in a stack.
She put my name in yellow.
She put my name in yellow.
Hearts.
Get like a whole bunch. Put him in the bag.
No, we're not putting him in the bags.
No, we're gonna put it over here, like over there where like the little.
Okay. Dude, I can't buy bags. Finally.
Alright, that bag is full. Put this bag over there. This bag is full, right? So, let me buy some more. Right.
Okay. Where should we put them? We should put them all behind there. Yo, there's still
No,
one.
we're gonna put them over here.
The thing's low, so how about we just dump them out?
Let's just go over here real quick. Alright, dump them in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you dump them. Is that how you go?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright.
Now we just need to put them all in the bag again.
No, we don't need to put them in the bag.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
What was that?
What was that, bro? We gotta do a
Better one.
better one.
What's that?
Not just that. Here, we gotta get like sticky down
Hold
them.
up.
I got
Let me do it,
I got sticky.
Hold on.
Hold on, not yet,
Hold on, not yet. Let me put my camera.
Alright, today we're doing our 3, 2,
No,
One.
yeah.
Yes.